mutual tolerance, submitting our disputes to a just and peaceful settlement. We witnessed high-quality deliberation and discussion of issues plaguing the world. Moreover, this platform provided an opportunity to bring together delegates striving for peace and security. The annual World Summit 2020 has almost concluded for the year.
This event would not have been a success if not for the constant support of Founder Trustee Shri Suresh Bhai Oza, Managing Trustee Shri Jairaj Thakkar, Trustees Srimati Urvashi Thakkar, Shri Jayesh Thakkar, Srimati Shivangi Thakkar, Shri Sujay Jairaj, Srimati Meenal Thakkar, Senior Advisor Srimati Josephine Bass, Principal Srimati Zeenat Bhojaboy and team, Head of Jamnabai Narsi International School Srimati Jasmine Madhani and team, PTA Vice Chairperson and Chief Guest Shri Manan Doshi, Senior Vice Principal and ISC Coordinator Srimati Rosalind Athaide, Vice Principal and Assistant ISC Coordinator Srimati Kalpana Patange, Admin Managers, members of JNPTA, JNAA President Ms. Atashi Patel and team, FOIA coordinators of grades 11 and 12, Ms. Pamela Costello and Mr. Abhay Singh, teachers, executive board, organizing committee, and delegates.
I would now like to introduce to you our chief guest for this evening, Shri Manan Doshi, PTA Vice Chairperson, Shri Manan Doshi, an ex-student of JNS of the 1994 batch, is a successful businessman. He was elected the 50th President of Bombay Industries Association. Mr. Doshi affirms that belief in oneself is imperative if one is to achieve one's goals and dreams. Sir, it is an honor having you here with us today. We extend a warm welcome to you. I request Shri Manan Doshi to address the gathering.
Good afternoon, everybody. I had the good fortune of my school, Jamnabai Narsi School, inviting me to share the closing remarks of the AWS last year. And very honestly, I was super elated about it. Come to think of it, your alma mater, your school, inviting you to share thoughts with the children. But my happiness was short-lived. The closing ceremony, even before it began last year, was cancelled. Thankfully, thanks to the Mumbai rains. So this year, when my teachers decided to call me again to share the closing remarks, I thought to myself, I'm not going to let this small pandemic get in the way and not let me share my thoughts with you. And if you must have noticed, I'm not giving too much importance to the current situation, because that is what I believe in. I believe that you have to let go of what is not in your hands and what is not in your control, and not let those things control you. And you have to grab what is in your hands and what is in your control and move forward with it. My congratulations to the Iconic Leader Award winner and our principal, Ms. Zeenat Bhojaboy, ISC coordinator, Ms. Rosalind Athaide, and the entire team, and to all of you students, to have overcome and overpowered the current situation and taken it in your stride, organizing this year's AWS online version, starting with the opening ceremony where our trustee, Shri Sujay Jairaj, evoked courage and confidence with his motivating words. Ms. Zeenat bringing the need to conquer adaptability and adversity and to fight unforeseen and future events like these. And our keynote speaker, Mr. Rahul Bose, who raised many deep and thought-provoking questions in a fun and jovial manner. I'm sure that the delegates of the AWS have done their best to share their thoughts and to also learn from their fellow colleagues. I'm confident that the traits of diplomacy, of debate, and quick thinking is going to really help all of you in these difficult times, dealing with your parents and friends at home. I really wanted to share this thought with all of you. Like, this is life, according to me, is like an alleyway, more like a corridor with a lot of doors on each side. As you grow older, you will come across many such doors. Some doors which are beautiful from outside, extremely easy to open, looks very inviting. Some may be bound by locks and chains and would take a lot of effort and hard work to open them. As young adults, you will possess the knowledge and intuition to know which doors to open and what is behind those doors. Which doors will give you the desired success and when you open them, and which doors, however easy, are best left shut. From personal experience, I can tell you that each one of you will come across such situations and such metamorphic doors in your life. And it will be up to you, up to your upbringing, up to your education to choose wisely and ensure that you select the right doors in your life. And if you do that, there will be nobody who can stop you to become successful. Students, on a little lighter note, take advantage of this lockdown, of the little extra time on your hands. While I understand the need to be connected with your friends even when you sleep, take some time out for your family. Take some time out to follow your passion and your hobbies. Take some time out for the community. And take some time out for your health and happiness. My heartfelt congratulations to everyone involved with the planning and execution of the AWS, and to all the winners and participants from various schools. I thank my teachers for inviting me to share my thoughts with all of you. Signing off, wishing all of you great health and the prospect of seeing you all again very soon. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for the kind and encouraging words. We will strive to go through the right doors to achieve our goals.
May I now request Senior Vice Principal and IC Coordinator, Srimati Rosalind Athayed, to address the gathering.
Good evening to one and all present here. Respected Managing Trustee, Shri Jairaj Thakkar and the Board of Trustees, Principal, Srimati Zeenat Bojaboy and team, Senior Advisor, Mrs. Josephine Vaz, Head of Jamnabai Nasi International School, Ms. Jasmine Madani and team, Chief Guest for today, JNPTA Vice Chair, Mr. Manan Doshi, Vice Principal and Assistant ISC Coordinator, Ms. Kalpana Patange, Grade 11th and 12th FOIA Coordinators, Ms. Pamela Costello and Mr. Abhay Singh, members of the PTA and NIA, teachers and my dear students. At the very outset, I would like to thank our Chief Guest, Mr. Manan Doshi, JNPTA Vice Chair, for accepting our invitation. Shri Manan Doshi is a very proactive member of the PTA, always organizing innovative activities for both parents and students. Thank you for your kind words, enthusiasm, and zest. Sir, we are honored by your presence. My dear students, the youth of today lack self-validity to be themselves and stand up for being whoever they are and whatever they want to be. The moment someone has something negative to say about you, you internalize it like it's the worst thing that ever happened to you, and you instantly start doubting who you are and your very existence. Have faith in yourselves. Stop blowing up small issues into epic tragedies. Find the strength within yourself. I promise it is there. Love the life you live and live the life you love. You are gifted, skilled, and unique in your own way. You know, students, when we want to concentrate, the mind generates a host of irrelevant worries and distractions. When we want to be dedicated, it brings in all sorts of conflicts and reservations. When we want to be loving, it drags out its little collection of trivial resentments and old hostilities. But when we learn to control the mind, to slow down its feverish pace, to welcome those thoughts we approve of and dismiss those that are negative, we find what a sense of mastery it brings. Only you can control your thoughts, words, attitude, and actions with a positive mindset. The positive outcome of this new normal has highlighted the fact that families are spending more time together and each one is upgrading his or her skills right from baking to technology. Realization has dawned that happiness is not found in restaurants, cinema halls, and malls, but in the home. It has taught us what it means to be courageous and to hold on to fortitude. It has changed life. The teenager whose plans are tossed around embraces the unique calling that life can lead us into uncharted territory where we find new experiences. It requires trust and faith to engage in an act of extraordinary courage to do something, but fear grips us. Be reassured, God is with you. He will provide you with the gifts to fulfill any assignment. Ronak pointed out that you are missing a glorious year of high school, but you are lucky. Technology is making up for it in many ways, except we miss your physical presence. School without you students is an empty shell. My cabin, which used to be a hub of activity, is missing all of you during this time of AWS. Rahul Bose said, "Do not let go of what you are passionate about." So dedicate your time to reinventing yourself. You are important. You are needed. And you are loved. Keep going. Tough situations build strong people in the end. Now a few words to our executive board members. Secretary General Arnav Deshpande, a true gentleman with his signature smile, has been nicknamed by me Mr. Persistent. You agree, Arnav? You all have him to thank for this virtual event. He is a leader par excellence, a true gentleman with his signature smile. He is a leader par excellence. He is very methodical, respectful, and most of all, a humble human being. He has not let power go to his head. Arnav, we thank you from the bottom of our hearts. His progressive ideas every minute of the day and night. How many hours did you sleep per night or allow us to sleep? Made us run out of breath. We appreciate all the hard work and effort put into the AWS. Never one to raise his voice, he looked after the needs of his entire clan. His in-depth research stood out. Thank you, Arnav. Deputy Secretary Shashwati Deshmukh, a keen debater with a practical and analytical bent of mind, was a calming force. She kept her composure, was a peacemaker, and mediated problems very well. A degree she possesses, which all of us should aim for, is not BCom, BBA, but be calm, C-A-L-M, be calm. Demure, but yet forceful, she coordinated things well. Thank you, Shashwati. Spread that peace wherever you go. Under Secretary General Jayaditya Khemani, the tech man, was very passionate about the event and brought high energy to it. From the PPTs to the songs, you name it, they were put together by him, backed by the team. His catchphrases were, "We have to get more delegates, Miss. Miss, I promise you we will cross the target." I can see him smiling. "We have to get this approved. We have to do this tomorrow." And I am told more often than not, it was done. Thank you, Jayaditya. Every event needs these high energy tablets for its members to get charged to work more efficiently. I think he needs a straight week of sleep now. Okay, Chair of United Nations Environmental Program, Jash Rambia. It is said, all good things come in small packages, but here we have one dynamic being in Jash Rambia. The unique quality was his humility and ability to gently deal with all delegates and make them comfortable. Jui, Prachi and Vedika Maji, thank you for supporting him. Chair, United Nations Human Rights Council, Mishal Batena, with his curly top, a very meticulous planner, has a height that is the envy of many, but the height of his helpfulness to other human beings cannot be matched. What I most admire about him is his simplicity. He takes everything in his stride, literally in his stride. Together with Lenishka, Priyanka, and Ananya, he steered the debate in the right direction. Chair, Disarmament and International Security Committee, Aryan Shah, together with his committee members, Shona, Kashish, and Arush, were in a dilemma after the first session as they did not get the expected results, but they soon brought things into perspective. Chair of International Criminal Police Organization, Jai Mirchandani, was a very confident and outspoken person who is also a perfectionist. Together with Freyana, Ishan, and Dhruv, he was able to achieve the expected success. Chair, Indian Parliament, Aryan Sinha, is diligent and knows how to motivate his team of Maisha, Kushi Madan, and Kushi Panda. But I am told he rattles off faster than the Rajdhani, and very often the listeners are not aware that an important point has been stated. Anything controversial energizes him. Chair, European Union, Aryan Hosangari, is a true statesman. He holds himself tall, is very articulate, and conducted his committee with ease. He is never fazed by anything. At least that is what his facial expressions tell us. Together with Kunj, Preksha, and Eklavya, they conducted the sessions like true diplomats. Chair, United Nations Security Council, Bani Kaur Sachar, is a natural leader, sprightly and efficient. Her members, Anjana Devam and Ridansh, helped in conducting the sessions very professionally. Chair, United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime, Rael Reganza's commitment to the event is commendable. A multi-talented chair brought rich experience to the table through her involvement in TED as well. She took her teammates Radhika, Vedika, Makija, and Arhan under her wing, and with much research pulled off a great committee. The ever-efficient head of press, Avril Dias, and her team, subheads Reena D'Souza, Vidisha, and Anaga Venkatagiri. This was one of the most sincere and hard-working teams who are very good at their work. This time, all the members of the press were very creative. They had an equally good flair for writing. They did a wonderful job and saved us teachers much editing. I must commend their timely submissions. I hope all of you have received an e-copy of the first newsletter. The second one will be out after session today. Head of PR, Anusha Kala, and subheads Ishan Salian, Arshita Divedi, Asmi Shah, and Inaya Modak did an outstanding job of promoting AWS with daily Instagram posts and promos. This year, they got so many people to promote their event, so it was a real good teamwork. Head of Administration, Janvi Bali, with subheads Pratik Balani and Rohan Raghavan, did a fabulous job of designing and putting up the website. Jayaditya, that is the reason for you managing to outdo your target because of the website, which was so impressive that reached out to many students. So I congratulate the entire working committee of the AWS for the excellent teamwork and you delegates for conducting yourselves in a dignified manner. Hope to see you 11th graders once again next year. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Roslyn, for your kind words. Now, I call upon the chairs of the various committees to recognize the efforts of their delegates. First up, we have the United Nations Environmental Programme. Chairperson Jash Rambhia will now recognize the efforts of his delegates.
Thank you so much, Arnav. The UNEP committee witnessed really profound discussions and well-rated interactions. Although most of the delegates were participating in an MU1 for the first time, they really put forth their diplomatic skills and proved that solutions for the extreme environmental problems can be achieved through the collaboration of young leaders. I applaud the research, speeches, and the dedication put by each delegate to the committee and making it a success. Without any further ado, let me announce the winners. Let us begin with the verbal mentions. The verbal mention goes to Khushi Chhaje, the delegate of Madagascar, and Rajshri Bhardwaj, the delegate of Japan. Moving further, the special mentions goes to Mahi Kashyap, the delegate of Pakistan, and Avanti Lotlikar, the delegate of China. Moving further, the high commendations go to Arif Thakkar, the delegate of Germany, and Shafira Adi, the delegate of Canada. And now, delegates, the best delegate of the United Nations Environmental Programme is Dwani Lalwani, the delegate of USA.
We now have the United Nations Human Rights Council. Chairperson Mishal Bhatena will announce the awards for his committee.
Our committee was fortunate to have a group of very talented young delegates who performed exceedingly well and contributed immensely to the discussion. It gives me great pleasure to announce the winners. The Verbal Mention Award goes to Sara Chudasama and Lakshya Khanna representing the UK and Hong Kong. The Special Mention Award goes to Avanti Nayar and Anushka Gautam, who are representing China and India. The High Commendation Award goes to Harshi Shah and Gia Fernandez, representing Palestine and Armenia. And the Best Delegate Award of the UNHRC is Ram Bagri, representing Israel.
Next, we have the Disarmament and International Security team. Chairperson Aryan Shah will recognize and announce the awards.
Thank you, Shashwati. It was a great joy to witness intelligent debates and deliberation, even though many were first-time learners. This shows that well-researched delegates contribute significantly to the success of a committee. Now I'll get to the awards. The verbal mentions go to Manas Gupta and Akshat Agrawal, the delegates of Brunei and UK. The special mentions go to Ishita Lalwani and Shanaya Sharma, the delegates of Indonesia and Thailand. High commendations go to Dhye Pujara and Rudransh Chitaria, the delegates of India and USA. And now, the best delegate of the DISEC committee of DISEC of the AWS 2020 goes to Kabir Kapoor, the delegate of China. Thank you.
Thank you. Now we have the International Criminal Police Organization. Chairperson Jay Mirchandani will announce the awards.
Upon seeing the passion in the delegates' speeches, the well-put and researched arguments, and the sheer passion with which the delegates debated, we were truly convinced that the effort that the executive board put in was truly worth it. It was an amazing experience, and I'm sure these 2 days of conference will be etched in our memories forever. Moving on to the awards. The Verbal Mention Award goes to Yuvraj Nayak and Drishti Desai, representing Jordan and Iraq. The Special Mention Award goes to Anushka Prabhu and Manav Sheth, representing Iran and France. The High Commendation Award goes to Prakriti Shah and Aditya Shah, representing Syria and Turkey. And the Best Delegate of Interpol is Kashish Jomani, representing USA. Thank you.
Now presenting the Indian Parliament, Chairperson Aryan Sinha will announce the awards.
Thank you, Chair. The committee was a combination of novice and veteran delegates. The level of debate and deliberation was of high quality, indicating the research that the delegates put into make the sessions interesting and noteworthy. It is my honor to announce the awards. The verbal mention goes to Shashank Manian, the delegate of Shashi Tharoor, and Ayush Mishra, the delegate of Sonia Gandhi. The special mention goes to Anaga Nair, the delegate of Jyoti Aditya Scindia, and Arvind Talreja, the delegate of P. Chidambaram. The High Commendation goes to Arvind Kapoor, the delegate of Nirmala Sitharaman, and Adit Agrawal, the delegate of Amit Shah, and the best delegate of the Indian Parliament of the AWS 2020 goes to Panikar, the delegate of Ram.
Next, we have the European Union. Chairperson Aryan Husangri will recognize the achievers in his committee.
Thank you, Jay. After witnessing 2 days of intense debate, analysis, and deliberation, I can assure you that the future of our country is in very capable hands. On this short journey, I have seen first-time Manas blossom into diplomatic research experts. It is my distinct privilege to announce the awards for the European Union. Verbal mention goes to Vivan Khandelwal and Arnab Chakraborty from Slovakia and Finland. Special mention goes to Sia Garg and Serene Azad from Belgium and Greece. High commendation goes to Ariane Fernandez and Keval Shah from France and Malta. And the best delegate of the European Union at AWS 2020 is Navya Sriram, representing Germany. Thank you so much.
Please now welcome the United Nations Security Council. Chairperson Bani Kaur Sachar will announce the awards.
Good afternoon. The past 2 days were full of intense debate and dialogue, and it was a wonderful experience to chair the UN Security Council and watch delegates practice the art of diplomacy with utmost conviction. The delegates truly helped make the committee a success. It is now my pleasure to announce the awards for the UNSC. The verbal mention goes to Udit Makhija and Arend Mishra. The special mention goes to Abhijaya Baptist and Adik Eswar. The high commendation goes to Moksh Tekchandani and Ishan Datta. And the best delegate at the UNSC at AWS 2020 goes to Navya Sharma. Thank you.
We now present to you the United Nations Office of Drugs and Crime. Chairperson Rahel Briganza will announce the awards.
With stimulating discussions and riveting solutions to impending issues, the delegates at UNODC presented themselves with utmost confidence and clarity of thought, which comes with thorough research. Each delegate came into their own towards the end of the sessions, and as a chair, that was the most fulfilling part of my entire experience. It is my privilege to announce the winners of UNODC at AWS 2020. The verbal mention goes to Dhruv Manshani, delegate of Colombia, and Manav Pamnani, delegate of India. The special mention goes to Meera Patel, delegate of Mexico, and Muskan Kaur, delegate of the United States of America. The high commendation goes to Adit Singh, delegate of El Salvador, and Meher Karnani, delegate of the United Arab Emirates. And the best delegate of UNODC at AWS 2020 goes to Navya Srivastava, delegate of Peru.
The Council of the Elite was truly a coming together of the best to discuss the nuclear non-proliferation with an emphasis on the rising border tensions between India and China. With thrilling debate and intuitive discussions, delegates were put through the monumental task of debating against their chairpersons. Their valor stood out as they researched within a short time for an agenda that required weeks, if not months, of detailed research. Their improvisation skills were tested as we simulated a continuous crisis committee, which demands delegates to think on their feet. It was extremely difficult for us to select one individual as the best delegate, but here we are. So, the best delegate of Annual World Summit 2020 is Ram Bagri, the delegate of the United States of America. Congratulations to all the winners. I hope you keep money. As we come to the close of this mega event, may I request Vice Principal and Assistant ISC Coordinator, Srimati Kalpana Patange, to render the formal vote of thanks.
Thank you, Arnav. Attitude of gratitude is the music of the heart and melody for the soul. A very good afternoon to one and all present here. It is my privilege to play that music through this vote of thanks. Come, see, conquer. You came, you saw, you conquered. The last 2 days had an incredible confluence of young leaders discussing issues to bring about a change in mindset through meaningful interactions. Thank you, delegates, for this beautiful experience. We have to thank our Managing Trustee, Shri Jairaj Thakkar, and the entire Board of Trustees for their encouragement and support. Senior Advisor, Mrs. Vaz, is our role model. We thank her for always encouraging us. Our principal, Mrs. Zeenat Bojaboy, is a force that binds the entire JNS family together. We remain eternally thankful for her dedication, determination, support, and guidance. We extend our gratitude to our Chief Guest and PTA Vice Chairperson, Mr. Manan Doshi, for gracing this occasion with his presence. Ms. Rosalind Athayed, our Senior Vice Principal and ISC Coordinator, is a perfectionist with an incredible eye for detail. It is because of her personal involvement and ever intact patience that AWS 2020 has been a lifetime experience to all present here. We express our sincere gratitude to you, Ms. Rosalind Athayed. This event also owes success to the ceaseless efforts of the FOIA coordinators, Mr. Abhay Singh and Ms. Pamela Castillo, HOD of Computer Studies, Ms. Meenu Joshi. We thank Ms. Urvi Turakia and IT in charge, Mr. Santosh Pawar. We also thank all the ISC committee teachers for devoting their valuable time and sincere efforts towards making AWS 2020 a success. Our wholehearted gratitude goes to our chief guest and keynote speaker, Mr. Rahul Bose, as well as our NIA alumnus, Mr. Ronak Kapoor. A special thank you to our ex-students for their help and support. On behalf of the entire ISC staff, we truly appreciate the hard work and efforts put in by each and every member of the Executive Board of AWS 2020. ensuring its success and raising the bar even higher for the future. I would like to specially commend the efforts of the Secretariat, Arnav Deshpande, Shashwati Deshmukh, and Jayditya Khimani. United Nations Environmental Programme, Chairperson Jash Rambia, Vice Chairperson Juhi Kajaria, Moderator Prashi Joshi, and Rapporteur Vedika Maji. United Nations Human Rights Council, Chairperson Mishal Batena, Vice Chairperson Lenishka Gangwani, Moderator Priyanka Srivastav, Rapporteur Ananya Chaudhary. Disarmament and International Security Committee, Chairperson Aryan Shah, Vice Chairperson Shauna Chandra, Moderator Kashish Jain, Rapporteur Arush Das. International Criminal Police Organization, Chairperson Jay Mirchandani, Vice Chairperson Priyana Buhariwala, Moderator Ishan Yalurkar, and Rapporteur Dhruv Dhawan. Indian Parliament, Chairperson Aryan Sinha, Vice Chairperson Maisha Tip, Moderator Khushi Madan, and Rapporteur Khushi Panda. European Union, Chairperson Aryan Hosangadi, Vice Chairperson Kunj Khanna, Moderator Preksha Rungta, and Rapporteur Eklavya Sethi. United Nations Security Council, Chairperson Bani Kaur Sachar, Vice Chairperson Anjana Dhar, Moderator Devam Shah, and Rapporteur Ridansh Gada. United Nations Office of Drugs and Crime, Chairperson Rael Braganza, Vice Chairperson Radhika Tibrewal, Moderator Vedika Makhija, and Rapporteur Arhan Roy Chaudhary. Let us laud the efforts of the press team. Head of the press department, Avril Dias. Subheads, Raina D'Souza, Vidisha, and Anaga Venkatgiri. The public relations team, head Anusha Khala, subheads Ishan Salian, Arshita Dwivedi, Asmi Shah, and Inaya Modak. The administrative team, head Janvi Bali, subheads Pratik Balani and Rohan Raghavan.
Thank you, ma'am. The Annual World Summit 2020 has undoubtedly been one of the best experiences of my life. Months of hard work, perseverance, and determination has finally paid off and made this year's Annual World Summit an event to remember. The extensive planning with the core committee, collaborative efforts with the teachers, and working hard to execute the plan was a memorable experience for all of us in the team. On this note, I would like to express my immense gratitude to Managing Trustee Shri Jairaj Thakkar, whose vision and forward-looking approach enables us to dream big and aim high, especially during these unprecedented times. We appreciate the help and encouragement given by the core team. Thank you for being our support system, without which we wouldn't have been able to organize an event of this scope. We also appreciate the Board of Trustees for their constant support of our endeavors. Thank you for leading by example and encouraging us to strive to achieve greater horizons every single day. AWS 2020 would not have come to life without the constant support of our principal, Srimati Zeenat Bojaboy, and her hands-on approach to make our journey successful and memorable. Senior Vice Principal and ISC Coordinator, Ms. Roslyn Athaide is the very heart of ISC. Her support and mentoring during the months of preparation leading all the way to this weekend not only enabled us to discover our leadership skills, but also helped us become more aware of the world and its issues. Moreover, motivating us during times of anxiety and reiterating her trust in us at crucial times was the catalyst that propelled us to organize this event. If this event is what it is solely because of you, Ms. Roslyn. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank Vice Principal and Assistant ISC Coordinator, Ms. Kalpana Patange, who gave us the responsibility, the freedom, and the backing we needed to lead a program of this scope. My sincere gratitude to the ISC FOIA coordinators, Mr. Abhay Singh and Ms. Pamela Costello, who have helped us sail through months of planning and execution. To our dear teachers, thank you for directing our efforts, both online and offline, through mock sessions, meetings, and during this weekend when committees were in session. Thank you for believing that each one of us has something special to offer, and for constantly encouraging us to think for ourselves, voice our opinions, and to have faith in our abilities. A big shout out to the executive board and the organizing committee, without whose efforts we would not have a conference today. Each of you put in your best foot forward in a spirit of collaboration and dedication. Through odd hours, network issues, times of uncertainty, healthy debates, we sailed through. Last, but certainly not the least, on behalf of the entire team of Annual World Summit 2020, I wish to thank the delegates. Your contribution with respect to the research, debates, deliberations is unmatchable and makes AWS what it is today. It was our pleasure to host you at this conference, where we made a humble attempt to make a difference in this world. I hope you enjoyed, made new friends, found solutions to global issues, but most importantly, learned 1,000 new things. I thank you all again with all my heart. On this note, I, Arnav Deshpande, the Secretary General of Annual World Summit 2020, declare the summit closed. I request you all to stand for the national anthem.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you, students. Thank you, delegates. Have a good evening.
Thank you, Mrs. Vaz. Thank you, Mrs. Vaz. Thank you, Zainat Miss, for
Thank
being
you.
present with
Well
us.
done. God bless each one of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Wonderful, wonderful.
Thank you. Thank you, Mrs. Vaz. Thank you, Ms. Zina.